Are you looking for ways to boost your e-commerce revenue and make the most out of every visitor? In today's video, we're going to show you how to integrate Quick View, compare products, and your wish list, create an engaging environment for your customers, and boost sales. So let's dive right in. This is a little demo store I set up on TasteWP, and as you can see, I already added some stuff to the wish list and compare. And if we use our Quick View, it'll automatically be able to compare it to this product and add as many as they like, take away ones that they don't want, or add this one to the wish list. You'll see it'll pop up there. The problem with most plugins when it comes to Quick View, wish list, and compare, they're all their own separate module and they don't generally work well together, or at least they're not meant to. Also with my plugin, it is meant to actually capture email addresses so we can send them notifications with sales and when things are back in stock. Integrating all these features reduces friction for the customer, allowing them to quickly view product details, compare options without navigating away, minimizing user drop-off. This will lead to higher conversions and longer dwell time on your site, which will all help you boost profits. Now, if they put items into their wish list, give you their email address, as well as if they're a logged in user, you can now send them a marketing campaign. And this will all happen automatically. I'm going to show you how to do it here. Go over here to Woo AutoWP. First, you want to go to your wishlist page and designate a cutoff to when to actually start the email campaign. Now, it's just default to 10. You can set it to whatever you like. But after 10 days, these emails over here, your email templates. And we'll go to wishlist to narrow it down. So the first email will be sent in an hour after that 10 days. The second one, 2 days. And the third one, now if you just activate. And you can also send them when an item is back in stock by clicking activate, as well as sales notifications. Any of these you can change. So like on the third day, if you really want them to buy something, I always like to send them, use the Woocommerce styling, sorry. You can create coupons. Then you can do fixed discount or percentages. So we'll do 10%. And then you set how long it takes to expire. 20 hours. You can add free shipping, individual use. Gives you quite a bit of flexibility. And here's how you set set the time. You can edit the body of the email. You can add a link that will take them straight to checkout and give them unsubscribe. Like you see, it gives you a whole bunch of flexibility. Now to increase that customer's life cycle on your e-commerce store, you can also set buy again notifications. Now we're going to kind of go backwards. We're going to go back to the email templates. And we're going to go over here to buy again. Now, I only have it really set for 1 by default. So the template that you get for default is 1 day. So you'll set a day on your products and that will add 1 day to whatever day that is. So you can change that if you like. But I'll also sell them when it's back in stock to encourage them to buy then. Also letting them know if there's a sale. If there's a sale, they're more likely to buy. So you can edit it just like the wish list. And how you set this is you go to products and just choose one and edit it. Down over here to your left, you'll see buy again timer. Turn it on. Say that product only lasts 10 days or 10 days. Update. Now, after they buy that product, 10 days later, they'll get sent a notification that it is time to repurchase. The reason why I don't have a general one set, because I like to make things a little bit more intimate for your customers, encouraging them to purchase the product again by tailoring it to whatever product they buy.